How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. So, we're back talking about Bitcoin shorts on Bitfinex. BTC shorts made headlines after the number of shorts on Bitcoin crashed by over 25%. And actually now it's sitting at closer to 35% down in the total number of Bitcoin shorts. And a lot of people predict that this could bring some bullish action in the short term for Bitcoin. We've also got some other pretty significant bullish indicators to talk about. But before we get into any of that, if at any point you enjoy this video, please consider hitting the like, hitting subscribe, and turning on my post notifications. YouTube has been censoring crypto content, and I'm a very small channel, so any amount of support goes an extremely long way. And yeah, I appreciate all of you. Thank you for your support. So, this is not the first time that I talked about the Bitcoin shorts on Bitfinex dropping by a significant amount, because this tends to have a significant impact on the price. So, why is this significant? Well, when there are a lot of shorts on Bitcoin, a lot of people shorting Bitcoin, that puts negative pressure on the market, making it hard for the price to perform how it's supposed to. It makes it harder for retail investors to move the price, and it just overall keeps the price suppressed. So, what have we seen every single time the Bitcoin shorts take a drastic turn to the downside? Well, let's go back and check the Bitcoin chart and see what happened. We're going to be checking the 26th of June, because that is when these Bitcoin shorts over here started to take a drastic turn down. And we're going to be looking at the 18th of June. So let's see how the Bitcoin price performed on those days. Now, 26th of June would be right here, this candle right here. So what did we see as the Bitcoin shorts were dropping? The Bitcoin price was rising pretty drastically. A nice little 20% move there. And this is interesting because on the 18th of June, which would be this candle right here, is the first time that the Bitcoin shorts started to drop significantly, and Bitcoin's price was actually heading down on that day. But what's also interesting is on the 18th, Bitcoin shorts dropped drastically by over 88% actually. So, very significant move. But then immediately in one candle went all the way back up. So, this isn't a perfect indicator here, but it does show us that some of the negative pressure on the market is being alleviated, which is good for Bitcoin, especially going into this new week. Now, I'm not sure how much technical analysis applies to this chart, because it's not like it's well, I suppose technical analysis is just a data measurement of people's psychology of the market. So, it probably works the same way with Bitcoin shorts. You can see that from a TA standpoint, Bitcoin shorts are on a downward momentum. So maybe we can start seeing some bearish action here from the Bitcoin shorts. That would be ideal. But now, how do I think this is going to affect the price moving on to this new week? Well, let's pull up the 4-hour chart here for Bitcoin. We are still sitting snug inside this descending wedge formation. Bitcoin is coiling up for a move right now, coiling up a lot. We do have a bullish divergence here on the 4-hour. Price moving in a negative direction, momentum waves moving in a positive direction. The RSIs are kind of coiling up down here, still oversold, still looking pretty good on the RSIs. The VWAP is peeking over this negative line, a small little wave. It's kind of been doing some choppy back and forth action here, so maybe short term for the rest of the day this could turn back down and we can keep coiling up down here possibly. And that money flow that I was talking about yesterday that looked pretty choppy is still looking pretty choppy, so I do still expect a breakout to the bull side of this descending wedge. I don't know if it's going to happen today. I could extend these lines out a bit, and you can see we do still technically have a bit more room to go inside of this descending wedge formation. Maybe we break out on Monday. Maybe we break out right here. Yeah, when Bitcoin's coiling up like this, usually means it's preparing for a big move, and in my opinion, the technicals are saying that we should break to the upside here. Descending wedge formations typically break up. Bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. You can see on the daily time frame, we are about to print a big green dot down here. It's looking like the white is starting to cut off here, so maybe in the next few days we can get a big green dot down there. Get a nice anchor wave going. The VWAP looks like it wants to cross over to the positive here soon. So yeah, I am still expecting some bullish action in the beginning of next week from Bitcoin. And the fact that we are seeing a drastic decrease in the amount of Bitcoin shorts is just another sign to support that theory. So let me know what you guys think of this down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please consider hitting the like, subscribe, and turning on my post notifications. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for my next video. Peace out, everybody.